this world ETF will give you an exposure to over, let's say, 4,000 companies in the world, top 4,000 companies in the world. So tomorrow, Apple goes busted and it has gone, hypothetically speaking, just gone zero. You don't have to worry about that because some other companies from that 4,000 will come up and make up to that fund. So that fund would be investing in all the companies in the world. Of course, the returns would be less than, of course, a company like Tesla, but you will have less volatility and your faith on stock market will be restored.
Yes. And other asset classes, of course, are important in this context. Property in Dubai. Dubai is, known for its property investments and, the projects that it has created. A lot of people have become billionaires, millionaires.
Accidental millionaires.
out of their investments in properties.
Yes.
It seems easy. It seems straightforward. It's not, in my view, as risky as stocks. At least there is a tangible asset that is there that can be sold eventually, or you can draw rental income. Talking about rental income, actually, vast majority of the expats are living in rental properties in the UAE. Do you think that they can probably own those properties and start paying towards installments and create assets instead of just wasting their money in rental payments?
So you have to do the calculations. It's not as simple as just. Then there are options of off-plan properties as well.
Yeah.
So I feel properties is of course very good. There are so many other options now like crowdfunded property. So what I tell people, if you really want to get exposure and you don't have money, the other mistake that people do is they have their net worth tied to one single property or their home, which is a disaster.
It is.
So that shouldn't be happening. So what happens is that, say, if you want to live in your own home, you are going to buy that for yourself, you will be spending like anything. You will be taking loan just to refurbish that apartment or villa or whatever the case is. Your net worth will be tied up, all the net worth is tied up into one single property, which is a disaster. So that shouldn't be happening. If you have some kind of plan, some kind of system around that, then it's good. Then maybe you can buy a property, let's say, stop yourself from over splurging.
Now you can mitigate this risk by investing in tokenized
Exactly.
properties. When you don't have to really shed large amounts of money to invest in real estate in Dubai now. Dubai has created this opportunity for anyone to invest with a small amount as well, which is just beautiful. I think you can draw the same benefits, but with a lesser amount of risk.
So there are layers to passive income. So this thing, tokenized property investment, is passive.
It's like buying shares in a company.
Exactly.
Property in this context is treated like a company, where you're buying tokenized shares, basically digital shares in a property.